Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix lag in GTA San Andreas PC. So first you need to install a lag fix mod. You can download popular GTA San Andreas lag fix mod such as the one from gtainsight.com. You can go to website and you can download the popular lag fix mod. And then after you can extract a file and copy them into a GTA San Andreas installation folder, replace the existing files, and this mod will optimize game performance by fixing internal bugs and improving frame rate stability. So then after, once you install your game, and you will be able to find game icon in here. And as an example, if you think this is a game icon, right click on it, tap on properties, go to compatibility tab, tick on disable full screen optimization, then after apply and OK. And you can adjust the in-game settings also. Once you launch the game, go to options and display setup, lower the resolution to 800 by 600 or 1024 by 768 for better performance if you are using low-end PC, and disable lower the visual effects such as anti-aliasing, draw distance and visual effects quality. Turn off the frame limiter to allow the game to run at higher FPS. And then after, right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. In the process section, check which processes are taking high amount of CPU. As an example, in this process taking 20% of CPU, right click on that process if it is not necessary, then after tap on end task. Then after close this one and right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on the display adapters, tap on your graphic driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it has the latest update, it will be automatically installed. Then after close this one, and some players are reported the better performance in the game is on window mode. So you can try to change the screen into window mode to check it is running on a smooth experience. So yeah, and if you find some kind of lag in your game, you can disable the antivirus also. So to disable your virus, go to search bar, search for security, tap on it, go to virus and threat protection, and under the virus and threat protection setting, tap on manage setting, turn off real-time protection like this, tap on yes. Make sure to once you complete the play, you need to turn it on like this, because it will be affect to your computer's security. So these are the methods you can try to fix the lag in GTA San Andreas. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.